He said Isaac's 2 too, so.
There might be a space in the floor.
She's Gretchen. Yeah, there she goes. I'm sure they play together.
Yeah, I know she is.
They put that in. It's funny she's Valerie.
All right, all my teachers, please grab your babies. Isaac, go see Miss Lauren.
Oh my God.
A little troublemaker. Oh my. You see him? He just poked out the door. Yeah.
Isaac's people here.
Yes.
Because Katie talks about Isaac.
Oh, really?
And who's going to be a daycare? Isaac. You were driving out this morning. We were driving in, you were driving out. Audrey said, Isaac's mommy.
Oh my God, we got one good stuff. Here they come.
Garrett, come here, baby.
Oh, that's
Garrett, can you go up there?
Oh, look.
Come here, my little frog.
That's my little man.
Come here, Will.
He just disappeared behind another little boy.
Oh, okay.
He has a bag on him.
Hi, Gretchen. Hi, Gold.
I told you were going to die over that. All right, come on, my little man.
Isaac, you're holding up traffic, buddy. Where are you going?
You gotta go home.
But listen,
Just stand by Will.
we're gonna take a shortcut and we're gonna run.
Okay, where are you looking for me?
Go that way. Joan,
You go stand by
You gotta just sing.
no, it's gonna need to go out the door and
Stand by
around.
Will so you can sing.
and then you can sit with me after your show. Sarah, I need your help. All right, where are all my kids? Come on, guys.
Hey, Jonah.
Side of the house.
Hi, Mr. Egg.
Jonah wanted to be an egg. We all had our costumes, and he said, I want to be an egg. So Miss Jones said, okay, you know what? We're going to make you an egg. Because that's what you wanted. Isaac, you have to put your
Good job, Jonah. Be the difficult one.
All right, are we ready? All right, all right, let's go. Miss Lauren, why don't you start?
Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity hop hop, Easter's on its way. Bringing every girl and boy a basket full of Easter joy. Things to make your Easter
Stage fright, Isaac?
Try to do the things you should. Maybe if you're extra good, he'll roll lots of Easter eggs.
Everybody roll your Easter eggs.
Roll your Easter eggs. Hopping down the bunny trail, hippity hop hop, happy Easter day.
Good job. All right, Will, come on, let's do our next song. Come here, Will.
All right, you guys ready?
Ready?
Little bunny boop boop, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and popping them on the head. And down came the good fairy, and she said, "Little bunny boop boop, I don't wanna see you scooping up the field mice and popping them on the head. I'll give you 3 more chances before I turn you into a goon." So the next day, Little bunny foo foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. And down came the good fairy and she said, little bunny foo foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. I'll give you 2 more chances before I turn you into a goon. So the next day, little bunny foo foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. And down came the good fairy and she said, little bunny foo foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. I'll give you 1 more chance before I turn you into a goon. And the next day, little bunny foo foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. And down came the good fairy and she said, little bunny foo foo, I don't want to see you skipping up the field mice and bopping them on the head. You had your chances and now I turn you into a goon.
Sit down. We're going to have circle time. Go sit down. Go sit down. Come on, let's do circle time. All right, everybody, circle time. All right. All right. All of my children, look at Miss Jones. Okay, thank you. Sit.
That's okay. We'll find these guys. We'll find them.
Okay, let's sit.
We'll find them. Are you going to go sit?
Let's sit. So. Audrey, sit.
Good job.
Sit.
What's the matter, Zoe?
Lauren is our resident singer, so we let her get all the sings. Okay, ready?
The one little girl sat right in front of
Buenos dias, how are you? ¿Cómo estás? Very well, I thank you. Muy bien, gracias. How about you? Y tú. Today is Wednesday. Hoy es miércoles. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Very well, I thank you. Muy bien, gracias. How about you? Y tú.
Very good. Thank you, guys. All right, wait a minute. Before I introduce you. All right, we have another song. Our days of the week.
All right, you guys, love days of the week. Are we ready?
Our favorites. Do it. Put down your baskets, please, so we can do our song.
All right,
go.
Thank you. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Good job, guys. Now we all know this song. Should we do our ABCs like we do every day in circle time? Okay, let's do it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Good job. Well, that's pretty much how we do our circle time. That's how we start. Then we always do a story, which we're not going to do tonight because there's just too many. And then from there, we ask questions about the story because we're working on comprehension and making sure that they understand what's going on. Remember what we did this time? Okay, so we're just going to stop there because, you know what, we made out really great. That's it. The kids made all of the food, so there's tons of snacks. Started to make lemonade and stuff.
Yep, there's lemonade.
Isaac.
lots of snacks.
Isaac.
Okay.
We have 16, but that it's part-time, full-time. Like some kids probably get some Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then like Ben comes home, so they work. So like they'll share stuff. We have like 16.
Isaac. Where's your ears?
Damn it. Are you gonna grab
Yeah, go grab them and I'll get a picture.